Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I want to start out by saying a very happy new year to every single one of you. I hope you enjoyed your holiday season. I recently shared a 2018 ultimate favorites video, so if you have not seen that video, you can check it out. I'll link it down below for you guys. But today I thought I would just go through what I've been loving in the month of December. I'm gonna talk about some food, some beauty, some clothing. I have a lot to cover, so I am going to get started right into it. I want to talk about my food favorite first because who doesn't love food? So in the month of December, I tried out Home Chef. So with Home Chef, you basically get a meal kit delivered right to your door. You get to select your meals for that week, and they're in the most organized packages. Like, they're in these cute little bags that have like each meal within them, and then the meat comes separately. So the process with Home Chef, the meals are so easy to make. They have beginner to intermediate to advanced level cooking, so you could kind of base the meals that you pick off of what you feel comfortable with. They also have prep times on them, so if you want something shorter that day, it says the exact prep time and like cook time and everything like that. So it's all laid out on the sheets. It's just a no-brainer. Like, I think it just makes it so easy. One of my goals in the new year is to eat a lot healthier. So knowing what the ingredients are and what you're putting into your meal, I think that's awesome, and I think it's such a great idea. Like, I mean, it just saved me so much time cooking meals and just being a lot healthier. It is so convenient, and I was so happy with trying it out because you get to have a home-cooked meal. Everything is proportioned perfectly. The directions come, and it comes with this like little binder of recipes, and there's like really nice pictures on them, so it's so easy to follow. I tried out the spinach and sweet potato enchiladas. I also ordered the chicken Kiev, and then the hickory seasoned salmon, and then the teriyaki sriracha chicken stir fry, which was like an express meal, so it was super quick and easy to make for lunch. So yes, all the ingredients are just proportioned perfectly, so you don't have to be buying so much of one thing or another. And it just, if you have a very fast-paced on-the-go lifestyle that you don't have time to like make these gourmet meals, and I have to say, every single meal was like restaurant level like flavor, like things that I normally just couldn't make at home, because I'm always like, you know, when you go to a restaurant, you're like, I just can't make the same thing at home. These are things that are like restaurant level meals that taste so amazing, and they're just so fresh, but you know the ingredients that are going into it. I have to say, I think the chicken Kiev was my favorite. It was so easy to make too. Yes, highly recommend it. Very flavorful meals. I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to try out some more. So I'm gonna have a coupon code for you guys in case you want to check it out. I highly recommend it. So I have a $30 off your first order. I'll have the code down below. It's Karen30, and then there'll be a link in case you want to check it out, and your code will automatically apply to your cart when you select your meals. So yeah, I was so excited to try out Home Chef, and it exceeded my expectations. Like, it was so delicious. Like, I'm thinking about all the meals right now. I'm like wanting to make them again. Okay, let's move on to some fashion. So I want to talk about one of my favorite coats this season. And I think it's perfect for all through winter, and then even transitioning, even in the month of March, like when, you know, when that weather is like at that iffy point where it's a little chilly, but then you don't want to look like you're in like full on winter gear, like when spring is starting to, you know, like spring clothing is starting to come out. So I love this one as a parka, and I love how gorgeous the color is. I think it comes in like 6 colors, I want to say, and I've shared this in a haul, I want to say a while back, but I love this coat for so many reasons. It's very flattering and keep you warm, but it's just not gonna overpower you, and it's very, very flattering. I love how on the hood, so the faux fur trim is on it, along with like some lining of like Sherpa, which is so cozy and soft. So you could take off this faux fur trim here, say come March, or if you're just not a fan of it, you could take it off. It just has like buttons on the hood area, so then the hood is not detachable, but the faux fur trim is detachable. So love this. My mom even got this in the same color as me and the burgundy, so we are like twinning in our coats. Also, I want to talk about some favorites that I'm wearing right now, and I'm loving my initial necklace. So I got this from my brother and my sister-in-law and my nephew as well, and I thought it was so sweet. It's such a nice gift, and I love how it's personalized and it's dainty. You guys know I love my layering necklaces. Another favorite of mine mine is definitely my thermals and like Henley tops. I like live in these in the winter season, and all through December, like whenever I was lounging or just running a quick errand and I wanted something super simple but still cute, I just threw this on and went out the door, and it's so cute and I love it. And it's just that effortless look. They're so soft but yet pretty affordable. I don't remember the exact amount I paid for it, but I thought it was a pretty decent price point. So definitely wearing some of my favorites. Okay, let's move on to a beauty favorite. I have a few more fashion ones, but I want to share a beauty favorite. This was another Christmas gift, but I immediately knew that I love this so much like the first time I tried it. And you guys, this stuff is amazing. So what it is, it's the Vita Liberata Body Blur, and it's the HD skin finish. So if you want your legs to look like a filter, you know, like on Instagram stories, if you have it, like there's like a nice like filter that kind of like just blurs everything out. This is that, but in real life. So this is amazing. It's kind of just like think of it like a foundation for your body, but it is amazing, and it's tinted the bronzy color, so it'll give you a bronzy glow. I got the latte shade, and I think there's some darker. So maybe next time I'll try the darker shade, like the next shade up, but I think this is nice to even put over just some self tanner. But this is so natural looking. It did not personally for me like transfer onto my dress. You may want to test it out if you have like a dress that you know you don't want to like get it on. I don't know how it'd be if I'm in like the hot sun or something like in the summer. Like I'd have to wait till then to let you guys know about it. But just still though, even like the winter when you're wearing like a cute dress, had a New Year's Eve like mini sequin dress on, and I put this on with it too. And my legs just like had this like glow to them. I forgot to show you guys, I have this like, I have my gathering of favorites, and I forgot to show you this other thermal that I've been loving. It's like a knotted detail on the front. This one's a little bit different than the one I have on. This one just like a plain pink top, and then this one though has like the button detail and the knot. So both are kind of in my favorite. I've been like switching back and forth. I don't know if I could pick a favorite like between the two, but they're both so cute. And gray, you just can't go wrong with. It's such a great neutral. So here in PA, I'm gonna have winter weather for many weeks now. And for me, I don't love the cold, so, but definitely something that keeps me warm in the cold is a nice beanie. Oh, I've been loving Free People beanies. They are so well made. They keep you so warm, and I think this one is just so adorable. This one is in gray. I believe it comes in pink and like maybe cream. I'm not sure. I'll have it linked below, but last time I checked for you guys, it was on sale, so I'm hoping it's still on sale for you guys. But it's so nice quality. Like every year they come out with like their knit beanie, and this is like so cute this year. They made it a little bit longer in length, I feel like, from the previous year, but still it's so cute. And I just sometimes like cuff this up a little bit high, like I'll cuff it higher up just so it's not as like long, if that makes sense. Up next is a bronzer, and it's so crazy because for quite some time throughout the year, I've been using just like my contour shade as like my bronzer slash contour, which I know is not the correct thing. So bronzer and contour are totally different. So I ended up finding this Laura Mercier bronzer, and this is what it looks like. It's called the Matte Radiance Baked Powder, and it is incredible. Like I love how it just gives like a natural glow to my skin without being overpowering and cakey looking. It's just a very light dusting, and it gives you that radiant finish, which I love. There has been so much hype about Spanx leggings all over Instagram and YouTube and everything like that. So in the month of December, I have been trying out these Spanx leggings, and I'm here to give you the verdict on my thoughts. So I got the velvet version, I have them right here. And they, I have to say, are amazing quality leggings. Like if you're a leggings girl and you don't own the Spanx leggings, I would definitely recommend trying them out because they are, first of all, so comfortable, and the quality is just so incredible. Like it's just so nice, and the inside of them is such a smooth material. I mean, I found them just so incredibly comfortable. What I recommend is going by your measurements, not so much like your regular legging size, and I think that will help a lot more. Up next is another beauty favorite, and it is by Tula. I've been adding eye cream into my routine again. I've had so much trouble finding the right eye cream for me because a lot of times like my eye area is so sensitive, and a lot of times product could travel up into your eye and it could like burn, and that's what my issue was, and that's why a lot of times I just never wanted to use an eye cream. But this one from Tula, it's the Revitalizing Eye Cream. It is so good. You guys know how much I love Tula, and it is just amazing. Like, it doesn't irritate my eye. It is so incredibly moisturizing for the eye area, because the skin around the eye area is a lot different than the skin on your face, which is why it's super important to treat it with extra hydration, because it's a lot thinner of skin around the eye area. So what I'll do is like use my ring finger. I'll put my ring finger into the eye cream and then just dot it around, like I'll do underneath, and then I'll go even onto my brow bone and moisturize that area and just like massage it in. And it's just such an amazing moisturizer for under your eyes. And my last favorite of December is so like festive. I do have points where I use this bag only like certain times of the year, or it just depends on the outfit. Like, this is not like my go-to bag because of the color, but it is my Gucci, this is my shoulder bag, and I always get so much use out of this in the month of December because of Christmas and like just the holiday red. I think it's just so classic. Of course, like anytime I want like a pop of red in my outfit any time of the year, I will use this bag, but especially in December, I've just given this bag a lot of love. It just makes the outfit. They do have this bag though. I would recommend it in like, they have a nude. I know they have like pink, and like it comes in velvet, which I've been eyeing. And I've held back though. I knew during like the winter, I saw the velvet version of this and I really wanted it. I had to resist. So, but I still love the red. I think it's a stunning bag. I have like the larger of the two, so I'll have the exact size that I have linked below for you guys, because I know there's 2 different sizes in this, but this is such a great bag. I love it. So that is everything in my December favorites. I hope all of you had a wonderful month of December. I'd love to hear some of your favorites for the month. Leave them down below, and like this video if you enjoy favorites videos. Also, in case you want to check any of this stuff out, I'll have it linked down below for you guys. I love you guys so much. Happy New Year again, and I will see you on my next video very soon. Bye.